Looking to supercharge your Mac Pro's performance? Look no further than the 64GB DDR3-1866 ECC RDIMM memory upgrade kit. This kit is tailor-made for select Apple Mac Pro models, including the quad-core 3.7 GHz Intel Xeon E5-1620V2 Me253LLA, and the 6-core 3.5 GHz variants. What sets this upgrade apart is its quality and compatibility. With reputable brands like Micron, Samsung, Infineon, Hynix, or Gigaram, you can trust the reliability and performance of your memory modules. Each module boasts a capacity of 16 GB, totaling 64 GB, ensuring ample space for multitasking, intensive applications, and demanding workflows. Operating at a swift memory speed of 3000 MHz, this ECC RDIMM kit enhances data transfer rates, reducing latency and boosting overall system responsiveness. Plus, ECC, error-correcting code, technology ensures data integrity, vital for mission-critical tasks and professional environments. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the lightweight design and user-friendly compatibility with Mac Pro systems. Whether you're a creative professional handling large multimedia projects, or a power user seeking seamless multitasking, this memory upgrade kit is a game-changer. Experience smoother performance, faster rendering, and increased productivity with the 64GB DDR3-1866 ECC RDIMM memory upgrade kit for your Apple Mac Pro. Unlock the full potential of your workstation and elevate your computing experience to new heights. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.